Hello and welcome to the Dominican University of California's online orientation for this summer's Collaborative Instructional Design course. My name is Elizabeth Von Schwarz and I am the Associate for your region, the Maryland, Virginia, and DC area. I would like to welcome all of you to this summer's course, especially those taking advantage of this course for the first time. This summer we have some exciting changes. You can take this summer's curriculum design course for 2, 3, 4, or 6 graduate credits. You will also have the opportunity to collaborate with teachers in your area. This can be your grade level or subject matter team if they are also taking the course, or if you plan it with them over the summer. We can also arrange and set you up with others taking the course that might have a similar job as yours. Exit interviews will be held in the collaborative groups that you worked with over the summer, or individually if a collaborative group was not formed. A new website has been designed specifically for our region. This website contains answers to all of your questions and all of the course paperwork right at your fingertips. This course is a graduate level course that can be taken for 2, 3, 4, or 6 graduate credits. This course gives credit to teachers for the work that they put in over the summer. Anything that is going to make them more effective for the beginning of the school year. This course is self-paced and individualized and targeted to meet the needs of each learner. At the end of this orientation, you will come up with a goal for yourself, and over the summer you will work to achieve your goal. The overarching course objectives are to create something new or renovate an old project, anything that is going to make you more effective. You are going to collaborate online and or face-to-face with other teachers and the course instructor regarding the grade level or subject areas taught. You will allot extensive time to thoughtful, intensive curriculum planning, such as aligning with the Common Core. If the Common Core has not rolled out for your grade, you can plan with whatever curriculum is assigned to your subject. In the process, you will earn graduate credit as you prepare for the next school year. There are only a few requirements for the course. The first requirement is to attend an orientation meeting. This online video counts as your orientation meeting. The next step is to complete a plan form for your summer goals. You will download this and fill it out at the end of the orientation video. This summer, the plan form will be kept with you. As you are working towards your goal, you will keep a log of hours. Depending on how many credits you signed up for, depends on the number of hours you have to log. For 2 credits, the requirement is 50 hours, 3 credits, 75 hours, 4 credits, 100 hours, and 6 credits is 150 hours. Once you have logged your hours, you will complete the summary and evaluation form. This will serve as a chance to self-reflect and take note of all that you have accomplished over the summer. At the end of the summer, starting in early August, you will meet for your exit interview with your small group along with the instructor. At your exit interview, you will provide evidence that you have completed your project. Here are some examples of what teachers in the past have used to fulfill the requirements of the course. They have prepared their classroom, putting up bulletin boards would count, organizing your classroom library, creating an environment that is going to be welcoming to your students when the school year begins. Time spent collaborating with your colleagues, planning, discussing students. Designing new materials that align with your curriculum units, whether this is different games that go with your curriculum or different technology pieces. creating or adapting lesson plans, incorporating technology into your lessons. Many teachers have taken this course to create flip charts or PowerPoints that they can use directly aligned with their curriculum. Researching new curriculum. This can be your district curriculum and just going through and familiarizing yourself by reading the new curriculum, or seeking out other resources that you can use in your classroom. Organizing your files. This can be both your digital files on your computer or the file cabinets in your classroom. Scheduling field trips or scouting out field trip locations can work for this course. As teachers, we have lots of new technologies that are available to us, but not necessarily always the time to become familiar with those. This course is a great opportunity to take the time to learn the new technologies or become more proficient at the ones that your school is using. You can also attend voluntary trainings that your district is offering. Any project that you can think of that is going to increase your effectiveness as a teacher can count towards the requirements of this course. When logging hours, there are many things that can be logged on your log form. Any time spent on the computer, reading books. This can be books that you teach or professional books that you are interested in incorporating into your classroom. Time spent copying papers or gathering papers to be sent off to be copied. Time spent creating materials for your lessons, whether that's technology components or worksheets. Time spent creating those lessons. Time spent organizing your files. Time spent creating bulletin boards. All of these and many more can be used to log and meet the requirements of the course. The rule of thumb for logging hours is that you cannot log hours for which you are already getting paid or any other credit for. After this orientation video, you should visit our region page to see all of the course paperwork that is available to you. One of those forms is the log of hours. You will notice that there are two options. One is a PDF version that looks like this, where you can print and write in your activities using pencil or pen. The other option is a digital version, which is an Excel version of the log, where you can type into the form and it will calculate your hours for you. Please use whichever form you feel most comfortable with. At the exit interviews, you will bring 4 things. First, you will bring your original plan form. This is the form where you will write your goal at the end of this orientation video. This will be turned in to the instructor. You will also bring your completed log of hours and your completed summary and evaluation, which need to be turned in. The last thing, which is just to share with your group, is evidence of your work and collaboration when applicable. This is going to be reviewed with the instructor and your small group. It is not going to be turned in, and don't worry, you can bring pictures. You do not have to bring everything that you accomplished this summer. What qualifies as evidence? Evidence of your work from the summer can be shared in various ways. Teachers in past have brought presentations, whether PowerPoint, flip charts, other presentation models of projects that they've worked on. They've brought work samples, they've shared pictures, they have just brought their laptops and shared a few different files and showcased what it is that they have accomplished. If you prefer to bring in the actual samples, you can bring in various samples from the projects, maybe in binders or folders. Once again, you do not need to bring everything. Think of this as a portfolio to showcase what you're most proud of. Anything that is going to give the instructor and your group a strong idea of what you accomplished over the summer can work as evidence. how to sign up for exit interviews. Once registration for the course closes on June 20th, you will be receiving an email about information giving you the next steps to sign up for exit interviews. This year, exit interviews will be conducted in small collaborative groups when possible. If you have not registered for the course, at the conclusion of this orientation, please visit DominicanCAOnline.com to register. Make sure that you register for the correct number of credits. At the conclusion of this video, you should also take a minute to visit our region page. You can find this on the Dominican homepage using the tab Regions. When you click on the Regions tab, you will move over to find our region page, which is listed under the East region, and it says Maryland, DC, and Virginia. On our region page, you will be able to scroll down and see all of the course documents. You will want to download these documents to your computer so you have access to them. Be sure to fill out your plan form so that you can start thinking of all that you would like to accomplish over the summer. Your next steps. Following this video, first, complete the attendance form at the end so that I know you have completed the online orientation. Next, download and fill out the plan form outlining your goals for the summer. You can have one overarching goal. For example, some teachers last year just had the goal to plan with the new curriculum that was rolled out by their district. Other teachers had many goals, and theirs looked more like a to-do list. Whatever works for you and works for what you would like to accomplish can be placed on the plan form. Remember, this is your goal. This year, you will keep the plan form and bring that to the exit interview. If you have not done so, please register online. And once you have done everything above, now you can start logging hours and working on your project. Remember to do this outside of your duty day. The attendance form looks like this. Fill in all of the necessary information. Please use the email address that you would like me to use to contact you. That is the end of our online orientation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, Elizabeth Von Schwarz, using my email address or my cell phone below. I am here to work with you over the summer and to help make this a successful professional development experience for you.